What's up, guys? Finally back with another video. This is just gonna be nice, relaxing video. I don't want to do anything crazy, so yeah. No, hell no. Who doesn't want to do anything crazy? Are you serious? What do you guys think I am? Some retard? Well, maybe, yeah, but yeah. So I just want to talk to you guys about a little something. So what do you guys think the purpose of life is? Are we put on this earth to speed and drive around like maniacs? Or are we like supposed to be like AI, artificial intelligence software, like the Matrix? We're put into like physical forms, but in reality we're just like mental forms, and we just need to disconnect from our physical form, and then we'll basically ascend into our actual physical form. I don't know if that fucking made sense or not, but like, in all honesty, I feel like life sometimes is not real. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, we don't, like, we say, oh, we're gonna get this and we're gonna buy this and then we're gonna talk about this, but in reality we don't owe anything in this world. We say we want to own something, but why try and have something when we don't actually owe anything in our lives? Everything is just pieces and materials and stuff. Even like humans, like, yeah. I don't know, but at the end of the day, like, we're all gonna die and go into our coffins, and the only thing that we have is like retard syndrome, because that, like, no one will remember you for like how much money you made, how much you did in your life. The only thing people will remember you by is how fast you were speeding, the car you drove, what you did in your life, like stupid, crazy stuff. So, I mean, at the end of the day, if you're not doing anything stupid, don't live your life, because you're not supposed to live your life if you're not doing anything stupid and risky. So, yeah. These guys are being assholes because they think it's okay to drive 34 miles an hour in a 45, where in reality I would be going 100 kilometers per hour down this road, because we're in Europe, we only use kilometers. Fuck. Like, it's all because of that truck's fault, honestly. But yeah, no, honestly, like, I'm becoming more consistent with uploading YouTube videos, because now I'm starting to find joy in doing this, like, every other day, every day. It's just so, like, nice and relaxing to do. What's here? Let's go here. I've never been to this part. Ooh, nice roads. Let's see what can happen. Fuck. I don't know what happened. I think my car slipped. Holy shit. My car was not supposed to do that. Anyways, guys, that was AI's fault. That wasn't real. Oh shit. Oh my god, what in the fucking Avengers Assemble is this? Okay, wait, I think we need to turn back. Oh, this is straight cut gears, by the way. Forgot to tell you guys. Alright. Let's see. We're gonna do a little off-roading. Oh, fuck. Whoa. Oh my god. If Marcus Aurelius was me, he would have killed himself. Same thing for Aristotle, because they couldn't have... Oh fuck, it's very bumpy here. Why am I in sport mode and why is my traction control off? Damn. That was not supposed to happen. My car like just took over. I think Tesla is programming this car. I don't know why. Oh yeah, Honda Civic, baby. SI. It's such a slow car that it goes fast. Oh fuck, oh shit. I'm surprised my clutch has been holding up well. Honesty. Like, please don't turn, please don't turn. Thank you, buddy. So bumpy here. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Yeah, no, if I had the Type R, I would have fucking flown off the road. Because the suspension on that is so stiff. Oh. God, sometimes like I feel like no, right now life is not real. Life isn't real. You know why? Because you guys are looking through YouTube, like, yeah, it's showing you what I'm doing right now, and it's not like you are present in the moment with the camera right now. It's not actual. It's not real. Like, God, I fucking hate this rev hang. Uh-oh, school bus. Shite. Time to go to speed limit. Honestly, like, if I had any faster, like, if I had a faster car than this, like, when I get, like, my, like, an M car or, like, something fucking way quicker than this, I would probably... yeah, no. I will not be licensed to drive. Because, I mean, if I even get caught, you know? It's not like it's not an easy thing to do. So, yeah. Oh, shite. But at the end of the day, do what you like, because... you know, people die left and right. You know, you can be next. Who knows? Just live your life. Do whatever you want. You know, just don't do anything stupid, because... Actually, you know, no, do something stupid. Take risks, you know, do what you want. You live this earth once, and make the most of it. Just don't go into, like, the South Sudan and get, like, killed by militants from, like, another realm. Or, like, don't go to Bangkok, Thailand and get fucking raped by the ladyboys. So, yeah, just, you know, do stuff at your own risk, but safely, and not, like, stupid like what I just said, you know? It would suck if you die from an STD, you know? You know how loud the fuel injectors are on this car? Like, It's so fucking loud. Ooh, they're so romantic. I wish I was like them. They fucking looked. They're like, who the fuck is this guy? Oh shit, I'm gonna go. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Wow, it's very packed today. Huh. A little turbo noise. You guys know this road before. It's been on my other videos. It's so nice, so sexy. Again, don't do what I do, because I like to do stupid stuff and dangerous stuff, and this is, you know, something that I enjoy doing, because if I die from it, I won't be mad that I passed away from it, because I won't be alive to be sad that I did it. You know? You know who I like? Volvos are so retarded because they used to make like good 5-cylinder engines, and they're like, you know, reasonably good like sedans, and they like stopped them, and now they're just gay. Yeah. Oh fuck. It's okay. I want to overdose on nicotine. Actually, don't overdose on nicotine, because overdosing is not good for you. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck are these roads? Oh fuck. My clutch is on life support. Guys, I'm just letting you guys know right now, if you want a great car and that's in like it won't break on you, and huh? What was that? Something that won't break on you? Definitely get a Honda Civic SI. Trust me, this car has taken so much abuse, and it'll be taking a lot of abuse in other videos as well. Oh my god. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video, and as always, stay safe, don't do anything stupid, and use protection. Peace.